Horses out here, boyo. Past the begin, Jolly Cash. In between horses, Rising Star. Down on the inside is Best Art. Then comes Valentine Rose, Quick Storm. Alam mo na yan. And trailing the group is Leopardo. And going along for the first turn, we have Jolly Cash running on the outside. Down on the inside is Best Art. Boyo is racing in third. Rising Star in fourth. Alongside Pip, Quick Storm, Valentine Rose. Alam mo na yan. And Leopardo trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we've got entry number 6, Jolly Cash by a length and a half. Boyo now trying to get closer in second. Best Art down on the inside. Rising Star still in fourth. Then comes Quick Storm. Valentine Rose, alam mo na yan. And Leopardo, Jolly Cash by only a neck. Moving up, Boyo on the outside. Racing in third, Best Art. Then followed by Valentine Rose. Then followed over by Rising Star. We have Jolly Cash by a length and a half. Boyo is on the outside. Second as they come down at the last 150. Jolly Cash by a length. Boyo is on the outside. Jolly Cash, Boyo fighting it out for the lead. Boyo moving up on the outside now to take the lead. Jolly Cash rush back in second. Valentine Rose, Best Art, and entering the finish line. It's Boyo. Second, Valentine Rose. Jolly Cash, Best Art, then comes Alam mo na yan.
75612.
Meron